So for the reviews of today, look at that shirt. Look at that shirt. I think it's cool. So you know, we got the Starkist tuna. You know, gotta eat some healthy stuff. Tuna Creations microwave. It's got that 160 calories, 10 grams of protein. We ain't pausing the video for this one unless the camera follows something. So we got the Starkist Creation. That Thai green curry, fully cooked. You don't even have to microwave it. We're gonna warm it up 30 seconds. It's got 60%. Yeah. It's good for you. Sort of. Oh. Yeah. There we go. So we got that Starkist. Put it in the microwave. See what you do. Seconds. And this place smell like tuna. At that time I'll go in Kroger and it smells like that. Oh Lord, hope it don't smell like that. You know what that means. So while I'm letting it cook, yeah, another mini review. I don't think, sort of. I don't know. I love these kind of soups. Kimchi. Put some extra prime rib in it. It's prime rib chips cooking. There we go. Oh. Better not be hot. I'm gonna be a Karen and go to Starkist and say it's too hot. It's too hot. Nah, I don't complain about my food. I eat it. Even if it's wrong, I'm eating that stuff. I don't want them to be farting on my food or nothing. Oh, speaking of farting, it's got beans. Yeah. Oh no, it don't. Yeah, it does. Yeah, it does. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah. It looks a little like cat food. Amateur cat food. It won't harm you. Probably see you in the restroom. It'll be funny. Here we go. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh. You know what? Holy moly. I don't eat tuna a lot. Only when I don't have nothing. It's a good quick go to go. When you have nothing around, just keep it around. Just in case power ever goes out. Oh yeah. Wild tuna rice, you can taste it. Ooh. The lime juice, the coconut milk, don't really taste that. Lemons, I didn't know. So you're eating grass. So see, it's real good for you. Eating grass is really good for you. Wow. This tuna make you go wild. This is probably the best. I don't even look. This is the best tuna ever. Starkist. Better than that bumblebee stuff. Oh my. Look at this right here. Look, if you like anything Thai or green curry, you're gonna love this. Go pick it up at your Kroger. They got it at Walmart. Only $1. Well, $1.99. More expensive than a bumblebee. 10 out of 10. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Oh yeah. And if you ever want to, I'm gonna put a playlist of the spicy. This is a spicy, so it's real spicy. Not really spicy, but got that nice tang that Thai food has. And it's good. You can either cook it or eat it out of the pack. But pick you up some. Remember, watch the playlist, watch the videos. You get that, you know, watch time up. So help me. Thank you. Not asking. It's cool. If you want to help me with the watch time, just watch it. I come subscribe, hit the notification bell. Oh yeah.